videos. Well, let's try looking at this. What do you think we're going to be doing? Yes, we're going to be doing area. Now, let's see. So area, we have a formula. It is length times width. Now, if we had a composite figure, we'd have length times width plus length times width. But here we only have length times width because we only have two numbers here. Okay? Now, let's see. I made an error on this one. Can you guys find out what it is? Yes, there cannot be two different sides. There might be, but it's only usually in a composite figure. Very well for finding that out. Okay, so we have to move 12 inches over here. Now, for area, what do you think it'd be? Yes, if you said 12 times 6, very well. That is correct. Area equals length times width. No, width, of course, like we wrote it here. Now, let's just start solving this. Okay, so we're going to do area equals 6 times 12, or 12 times 6, they both work. Now let's do this. So if I don't know my 6's, but or my 12 times 6 or 6 times 12, I could skip count by 12. Let's try that. 12, 24, 36. What do you guys think is after that? So we have that 6 times. What do you think is after that? Go ahead and give it a try. Okay, let's continue. Now this is 48, and this would be 50. 60, sorry. And then that would be 72. Should we verify if our work is right? Alrighty. So yes, this is skip counting by 12s, and this is what helped us. So 12, 24, 63, 48, 60, 72. Alright, that means that 6 times 2 is equal, 12, sorry. 6 times 12, sorry. 6 times 12 is equal to our answer 72. But our answer is not just 72. It's 72 inches squared. Okay. Do you think we should find the perimeter? Let's give it a try. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So, let's see. If this was 6, right? That means that this bottom one here will be 6 inches too. Now, so we did 6. We did, so where could I write this? Okay, we're going to do it like this. 6 plus 12. Let's go clockwise so we won't forget anything. 6 plus 12 plus 6 plus 12. Well, but how do I know this one's 12 if I didn't write it down? Right? None of these are written down. This one neither. Now, the only way I know is because this is a rectangle. Rectangles are almost equal like squares, but they aren't. These sides are longer. These sides are shorter. Okay, so instead what we could do is we could just count these two as 6 because look, this side will always be 6. That means that this side is also equivalent to 6, which is equal to, another fancy word. So 12 and 12. So I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, plus another 12. Oh wait, we could do, or skip counting. 6 plus 12 is, 6 plus 6 is 12. So that means that we got 12 right here, plus another 12, which is 24, plus another 12 is 36.
Okay.
36 inches. Not squared, because if we do square, then really that's only for area here. But perimeter, we use this little yeah. So perimeter, we don't do that. Okay, should we try another one? Or do you think that's good? Let's try another one. I'm pretty sure you guys are ready for another one. Should we do all perimeter or all area? Let's do all perimeter. Okay, you guys ready? Let's get ready then. Now let's do this. Find the perimeter. Now, I don't have any perimeter written on it because I still have to write it. Now, what is this first? A trapezoid. Trapezoid. This is a trapezoid. The trapezoid. Now the top is 7 inches. This one's 8 inches. 10 inches. And 5 inches. Now you're like, why are you tossing us like a bunch of crazy numbers? Well, you could do any numbers because it's perimeter. Okay, so let's start with this perimeter formula. Perimeter equals sum of all sides. Now, okay, we're going to add all these sides, okay? Starting with 7. 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 5. All right? So let's start. Let's do parentheses first. So, I'm going to put parentheses. 10 plus 5 equals 15. And 7 plus 8, well, that was pretty easy, right? It is 15. So 15 plus 15, isn't it really easy? Okay, 15 plus 15. These two are 20. Okay, let's start from the ones. These 5s are 10. Okay, those two 5s make a 10, okay. These two 5s make a 10. Now that's done. I like to do that, so I know I'm done with those. Now let's do the ones, okay. It's 20, and 10 plus 20, well, that's 30, okay? So our perimeter is 30 inches. That wasn't very hard. Now, I started you guys hard on this area right here by starting with a rectangle. Now, you guys deserve a little more, chilling. So, I'm going to give you an easier area. Okay? Alright, you guys see a new one. You're like, how are we supposed to solve this? Right? Like, we only have one number here. What about the other one? It's nowhere to be found. Oh, it's still there. Okay. Now, it's nowhere to be found, right? Well, that's the thing. What do we know about squares? Every side is equal. Okay? So that means that this side is 6. Oh, I guess it is. Because they're all equal. 6. That means it's 6. That means it's 6. But we don't need to put that many 6s, right? So we could just cross out 2. because we're finding simple area, right? So even with other things, you're gonna need to do this with any square. Okay, so 6 inches. Okay, I know that this is 6 inches. Well, let's see there, but that's 6 inches. Here, let me just go down. 6 inches, okay? Now 6 plus 6, that's easy, right? 12, right? Blah, blah, blah. This is not area, this is area, not addition. So, our area of length times width, just how I put it here. And area would be 6 times 6. Okay, the dot means multiplication. If you didn't know, an area will equal to what? I don't know my 6. Oh my god. Let's try another strategy. Let's try 6 times 5. I mean, it's easy to count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so now we know that 6 times 5 is 30. Oh, there's our answer, blah, 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 yada, yada. No. We're looking for 6 times 6, not 6 times 5. So we add 6 times 5 right there equals what? Okay, so I could skip count, like add or whatever you want. 30 plus 6. Oh, that's easy, 36. Okay. Now that's our answer. But is it our final? No. Because what about the inches squared? So we just have inches squared. Now we're going to do one more problem. Then we're going to go blasting off out of this video. Okay, so item right, perimeter equals sum of all sides. Because I'm pretty sure you got that stuck in your head already. So this is 10 feet, 4 feet, and 6 feet. We tried something new, right? So let's do this. Let's do 10 plus 4 plus 6. Well, I know 4 plus 6 pretty easily. It's 10. And, oh, this keeps on falling. That means that 10 plus 10 is 20, right? So let's put 20 and feet. And we're done. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the area and perimeter learning for kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry this video is long. Check out my other videos.